You know what's funny? Ask most people what the best Australian Fords ever built were, and they'll say the XR6 Turbo, GT, the FPV, maybe even the XY, GTHO. But almost nobody ever mentions the BA LTD. And honestly, I think that's a mistake in some ways, because sitting right here is one of the most underrated Australian luxury cars ever built. It's powered by a naturally aspirated 5.4 litre V8. It's rear wheel drive, it's incredibly comfortable, and this particular car was even crowned the best BA LTD at All Ford Day 2026. Today we're going to take a proper look around it, explain why these cars deserve far more recognition than they get, and by the end of this video I reckon you'll be looking at a BA LTD in a completely different way. Let's check it out. Now before we start looking around the car, I think it's important to understand exactly what an LTD was. A lot of people just see one and think, oh, that's a Falcon with a bit more chrome, but it's actually a lot more than that. Back in 2003, the BA LTD sat right at the top of Ford Australia's luxury range. This wasn't built to compete with an XR8. It wasn't built to compete with Commodores. It was built to compete with luxury like the Holden Statesman and Caprice, offering limousine-like comfort with the reliability of a Falcon underneath. And the crazy thing is, it was built right here in Australia. Ford Australia designed it for Australian roads, long country highways, rough regional roads, thousands of kilometers without breaking a sweat. And that's exactly what this car's become famous for. Now, pictures don't really do this thing justice. Come and have a look. When you stand next to one, you realize it isn't just another Falcon. It's pretty much a small limousine. Look how long the rear doors are. The rear passengers have heaps of room. Whether you were driving politicians, executives, or just taking the family on holidays, these things were built to be comfortable. Personally, I think Ford nailed the styling. It's classy, elegant, doesn't try too hard. It's got the big chrome grills, the chrome window surrounds, beautiful factory alloy wheels, which if you didn't like, you could change up. Long flowing body lines, no fake vents, no oversized spoilers, no unnecessary plastics. Everything has a purpose, and even 20 plus years later, I still reckon they look tough in an understated way. They've aged incredibly well. Now let's get to the best bit. Under here sits Ford Australia's 5.4 litre Barra 220 V8. It's a naturally aspirated modular V8 producing around 220 kilowatts and 470 newton-meters of torque. Now I know some people immediately compare it to the Boss V8 found in the XR8s and FPVs, but they're actually different engines. The Boss was designed as a performance version, and the LTD is tuned for effortless torque, smoothness and refinement. It's not about chasing lap times, it's about making a 2-ton luxury sedan feel effortless to drive, and honestly it's exactly what it does. Now open the door. This is where the LTD really separates itself from normal Falcons. Leather everywhere, wood grain trim, electric seats, memory seating, dual zone climate control, premium sound system, cruise control, soft touch materials. Back when this was new, Ford threw almost everything they had at the LTD. Even today, it still feels like a genuinely premium place to sit. And the seats, they're like your favorite lounge chair. You could drive Melbourne to Sydney in this thing and still feel fresh when you get there. But how does it drive? One thing that surprises nearly everyone who drives one of these is just how modern they still feel. The steering is light, the suspension soaks up the bumps beautifully, visibility is fantastic, everything feels effortless. Unlike an XR8, which is more designed for a sporty feel, the LTD is more about refinement. It's quiet, it's smooth, it's comfortable. It's the sort of car you want to drive every day. And then when you put your foot down, the V8 reminds you it's still there. Why they're so underrated? I genuinely think these cars lived in the shadow of the XR6 Turbo. Everyone wanted boost, everyone wanted manuals, everyone wanted burnouts. Meanwhile, the LTD quietly became one of Australia's best luxury cruisers. Today, finding an original, well-maintained BA LTD is becoming harder and harder. Many have been neglected, some have huge kilometers, others have disappeared altogether. Cars like this are becoming increasingly special because so few clean examples remain. And this one in particular, no, it's not just another Heidi LTD. This one actually won Best LTD at All Ford Day 2026. And if you've ever been to All Ford Day, you know that's not an easy achievement. It means the presentation, paintwork, interior and overall condition stood out amongst some seriously impressive cars. And I reckon once you've had a proper look around it, you can see exactly why. Why we do this, you guys know our mission. It's never just been about giving away cars. It's about saving Australian automotive history. These cars tell a story of an industry that employed thousands of Australians. They're a reminder of a time when we designed and built world-class cars right at home. Every year we lose more of them, some get scrapped, some get neglected, some disappear forever. So if we can put one of these into the hands of someone who's going to love it, look after it, and keep it on the road, that's a win. That's what Save Aussie Cars is all about. Now here's the exciting part. One of you is going to own this exact BA LTD V8, an award-winning example that's ready to be enjoyed. This could be your chance. We're delivering Australia-wide to the lucky winner with a roadworthy certificate, and at the time of shooting this video, we're announcing the winner very soon. Cars like this simply aren't built anymore. A naturally aspirated V8, rear-wheel drive, Australian-made luxury sedan, that combination is gone. And I honestly think in another 10 or 20 years, people are going to look back to the BA LTD the same way they now look at the old Fairlanes and GT Falcons and Statesmans. Not because they were the fastest, but because they represented the very best of Australian luxury car manufacturing. So let me know in the comments below, have the BA LTDs been underrated all these years? Or have you always known just how special they are? If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you'd love a chance to park this award-winning BA LTD in your driveway, all you got to do is buy a merch pack, online access to our community, or a sticker pack, or a hoodie, and you're in the draw to win this car, announced very soon. Good luck, and as always, let's keep saving Aussie cars.